All right, today's the day we plant these puppies. Excited about it. It's going to be a good day. I'll show you where I'm going to plant them real quick. Pretty excited about planting these. We're about a year into this property, and it's taken me a while to get my head around things, but I have a master plan, which is great. And this is going to be these two trees, this pomegranate and a little dwarf lime, is going to be the start of kind of adding my own flavor to this. So it's pretty pumped about that. And because time is always on your side, you can make mistakes, you can make pivots and adjust as time goes on. Good thing about trees and fruits, and anytime you're doing any type of agriculture stuff, like I said, time is on your side and you're in for the long game. And when you're talking about trees, it is a long-term play. I think I heard a quote, and I'll paraphrase because I don't know it exactly. It's like, if you're planning for a season, plant corn. If you're planning for 30 or 40 years, you plant trees. And it goes on to say, if you're planning to leave a legacy, you plant people. But I just wanted to extrapolate that little bit of one there, plant trees. I mean, it's a long-term play. Some of the trees on this property have been here. These are 30, 40, 50-year avocado trees. So they've been around for a long time, and I hope what I plant, and I know they will thrive for that long too. So what I'll do, I'll set up some cameras today so you can see some of the progress as we dig these holes and plant these trees. Alright, here's where we're going to be planting the first one. You can see, I don't know if you can't see, but there's this ring right there. Actually, an avocado tree was there, but due to, it was a little unbalanced on its location. It was a little heavy on one side, just kind of rotted over the years. Alright, here's the location for the dwarf lime. I'm going to put that cap into that sprinkler right there, which we've had capped off for a while. I think actually it's always been capped off since I've been on the property. And then we're going to put the other dwarf right here, kind of in this little flat area right in line with that avocado tree right there. So hopefully it will go good there. And then if we want to, kind of thinking forward future wise, I want to try to put another citrus. I'm thinking more of a grapefruit right over there, but one step at a time. Don't want to get ahead of myself. What I have learned on this property is time is on your side, which is great.